Assalamu alaikum. Everyone, I hope you are feeling better. Welcome back to English with Baser. If you've ever wondered why your English sounds unclear or why your words sometimes blend together, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you a fun, smart, and powerful way to improve your pronunciation by practicing tongue twisters. Tongue twisters aren't just for kids. They're actually secret pronunciation. Weapons used by actors, speakers, and even language trainers around the world. So get ready to twist your tongue, train your mouth, and transform the way you speak English. Why pronunciation matters? Let's be honest, pronunciation is often ignored when learning English. We spend so much time learning grammar and vocabulary, but when it comes to speaking, many learners feel shy or unclear. The truth is, pronunciation is not about having an accent. It's about being understood. When your pronunciation is clear, you sound more confident, natural, and fluent. And that's where tongue twisters come in. These clever sentences are built with repeating sounds and similar words that train your tongue and brain to work together. They improve articulation, the way you move your lips and tongue, clarity and fluency. Just like athletes stretch before playing, speakers must warm up before speaking, and on tongue twisters are the perfect warm-up for your voice. How tongue twisters work. Let's understand how this actually works. When you say a tongue twister like, "She sells seashells by the seashore," your mouth has to switch rapidly between the S and SH sounds. This forces your speech muscles, your tongue, lips, and jaw to move faster and more precisely. The more you practice, the more your mouth gets used to forming English sounds correctly. It's called muscle memory. The same thing that helps a musician play the piano or a cyclist ride smoothly without thinking. Tongue twisters train your muscles to remember English sounds so that when you speak naturally, your words come out effortlessly and clearly. For example, red lorry, yellow lorry improves your rhythm and speed. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, strengthens your P pronunciation. A Betty Botter bought some butter, helps with B and T sounds. Each of these tiny exercises helps you pronounce words with confidence and accuracy. Benefits beyond pronunciation. Tongue twisters don't just make you sound clear, they also help you sound natural. When you practice them daily, you start to develop rhythm, stress, and intonation, the musical side of English. Many learners struggle not because they don't know words, but because their speech lacks natural melody. English has a rhythm. Some words are stressed, some are softer, and tongue twisters teach your mouth to flow with that rhythm. They also boost your listening ability because your brain becomes more aware of small sound differences like ship versus sheep or cat versus cut. You start to hear and reproduce sounds accurately, which is key to fluency. Plus, tongue twisters improve your confidence. When you can master difficult phrases at high speed, regular speech feels easy. You begin to speak without hesitation, and your pronunciation becomes smoother and sharper. How to practice tongue twisters the right way. Here's how you can practice tongue twisters effectively. Start slow. Don't rush. Focus on clarity first. Record yourself. Listen carefully to how you sound and compare it with native pronunciation. Repeat daily. Just 5 minutes a day can create big results. Use a mirror. Watch how your mouth moves. This builds awareness. Increase your speed gradually. Once you can say it clearly, then go faster. Make it a part of your daily English warm-up routine. You can even practice while brushing your teeth. Driving or cooking, turn it into a habit. Example practice. Let's do a quick practice together. Repeat after me. She sells seashells by the seashore. And how can a clam cram in a clean cream can? A Fred fed Ted bread and Ted fed Fred bread. Great. Feel your tongue and lips working? That's your pronunciation improving already. Keep practicing and challenge yourself. Try saying them 3 times faster every day. Remember, it's not about speed, it's about clarity first. Speed comes naturally with practice. You smiling. So friends, that's how you can use tongue twisters to upgrade your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Don't underestimate this simple exercise. It's fun, effective, and 100% free. Try one new tongue twister every morning, and you'll notice your English becoming smoother and sharper day by day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English with Baser for more powerful English learning videos. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite tongue twister? Let's twist our tongues together and master English pronunciation.